In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress error 406 step by step. If you're seeing a 406 not acceptable error in WordPress, especially when trying to access your dashboard, save changes, or import templates, don't worry. This error is usually caused by security settings, server configuration, or plugin and theme conflicts, and the good news is you can fix it quickly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the first fix. Check for security software interference. If you're working locally using tools like LocalWP, XAMPP, or MAMP, error 406 is often triggered by third-party antivirus software or a firewall blocking certain requests. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, and then try to reload your WordPress site or repeat the action that caused the error. If the error disappears, you found the cause. In that case, you'll need to whitelist your local development environment or your website inside your security software so it doesn't block WordPress requests again. Next, let's reset your permalinks. This is one of the most common WordPress-specific fixes for request-related errors. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Permalinks. Once you're there, don't change anything. Simply scroll down and click Save Changes. This refreshes your .htaccess file and rewrites your URL structure, which often resolves 406 errors caused by misconfigured rewrite rules. After saving, test your site again and see if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, the next step is to increase your PHP memory limit. Sometimes script-heavy actions like installing themes, importing demo content, or running large plugins can exceed the default memory allocation and trigger a 406 error. To fix this, open your WordPress site folder and locate the wp-config.php file. Edit the file and add the following line of code. Define wp-memory limit: 256M. Make sure you place it above the line that says, "That's all, stop editing." Save the file and reload your site. Increasing the memory limit gives WordPress more resources to complete complex operations. Now, let's check for plugin conflicts. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins. Then click Install Plugins. Select all plugins and choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown, then Apply. Once all plugins are disabled, check your site again. If the 406 error is gone, that means one of your plugins is causing the issue. Reactivate them one by one, testing your site after each activation until the error returns. The last plugin you activated before the error reappeared is likely the culprit. You can then delete it, replace it, or contact the plugin developer for support. Finally, let's test your theme. Sometimes themes include custom code or security rules that conflict with your server configuration. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and switch to a default WordPress theme like 2024. After activating the default theme, check your site again. If the error disappears, your previous theme is likely causing the conflict. You may need to update it, reinstall it, or reach out to the theme developer for assistance. So, to quickly recap, to fix WordPress error 406, first check for antivirus or firewall interference, then reset your permalinks, increase your PHP memory limit, deactivate all plugins to find conflicts, and finally switch to a default theme to rule out theme issues. One of these steps will usually resolve the problem in most cases. That's it. You've now learned how to fix WordPress error 406. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips, fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.